Hi, this is Mike from Boatshed Grenada. Today on board an Admiral 38 Cat from 2007. Walking down along the starboard hull, newly painted non-slip, and the condition of the trampolines is excellent. Turning round and looking aft. On top of the hard top you can see the solar system. Plenty of light getting into the boat through large windows on both sides and hatches. Good visibility from the cockpit too, looking forward. Cockpit area, and then on the stern davits holding the dinghy and the stern deck.